Hey you guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, hello, welcome. In today's video, I will be decorating my 3-tier tray for Christmas, so let's go ahead and get started. So at the very bottom of the tier tray, I wanted to make a little village type of thing, so I really wanted to place these cute little red houses that I picked up from Target, and I wanted that to be the focal point at the very bottom. And I stuck with a lot of traditional colors, so you're going to see a lot of red and a lot of green. So just place those at the bottom, and then once I found the perfect spot for those on there, I added some miniature trees. For the middle, I added this wood sign. This is from the Dollar Tree, I believe, and then a little reindeer and then some pine cones. And then I moved on to the top. So for the top, you're gonna see the first way I did it, and then I end up completely changing it. So originally I wanted to place this snow globe at the very top. This is from Target, and then it just looked too bare for me. I needed some more action going on up there at the top. So I wanted to add some fairy lights, and these are also from Target, and I added those around the snow globe, but again I end up changing it completely. So let me know which way you liked it better, this way here or what I end up with at the end. So once I did one side, I turned my tier tray around because I do like to make it where anywhere you're standing from, you can see something on the tier tray instead of just doing it one-sided. So for the bottom, I just added some more little trees and another reindeer. And then moving on to the middle, I really wanted to incorporate these mugs that I have not used yet, and these are from Hobby Lobby, so they say nice and naughty. So I put those, kind of stacked them up on one another and put them off to the side a little bit. I just thought that they looked super cute stacked as opposed to just kind of right next to each other. And then I added another little Christmas tree here and this candle. So this was where I was like, I don't like it. So I ended up moving the snow globe a little bit more forward, and then added this gingerbread cup at the very top, right behind it. And then I switched the candy canes into that cup, and I felt like that looks so much better. So once I had all 3 levels pretty much set up, I just went back and started to place more items where I thought it just needed a little bit more, and just places where it looked a little bare to me, I just added more decor. So you see that I'm just kind of playing around with the different items that I'm adding and just moving things around and finding a perfect spot for everything. I love tier trays, and I feel like tier trays are that one staple item that you should have in your home that you can decorate for each season. Even if you really don't like to decorate much or don't like all the clutter around your home, a tier tray is the way to go because you just place everything on here and it's so easy to move around, or if you want to move it to a different spot in your home, it's a must-have for me. So if you are on the hunt for a tier tray like this one, I would start at Hobby Lobby because they have gorgeous tier trays for a very inexpensive price. And then once I was all done decorating, I just placed that on the center of my dining table. I'm not sure if this is where I'm going to be keeping it, but for now I really like how it looks here, and it's the center of attention in the room. It looks perfect here for now. And then at the base, I just added some of those fairy lights that I didn't end up using at the top. And that is it. That is my 2020 Christmas decor tier tray. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video because I sure did. I am loving making all of these decor videos for you guys. If you are as well, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And while you're at it, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos that I post. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.